The control police started saying that we came there and John suddenly started throwing stones at our jeep. Like it's a story of fairy tale, God knows what it is. After that, suddenly police started saying, "To fator matmonam tingsan na salanam gelmon." After quarter to 6 o'clock, we got a call saying that your brother is passed away. He met with an accident. If I show you the pictures of the truck, no one will believe that my brother met with an accident with this truck, because the truck is damaged so badly that only if the truck is hit to a pole or hit to a tree, that's how the damages come. But on my brother's body, he has only head injury.
What is the police officer's duty? कोणी तर असे अनवॉन्टेड थिंग्स करता ना जाल्यार तुमचेर जर फातर मारता जाल्यार तुमचे काय अरेस्ट करपाक जाय यू शुड पुट हिम इन द जेल. नंबर 1, व्हॉट स्टॉप यू इन टेकिंग हिम टू पुलीस स्टेशन? आता प्रश्न हो निर्माण जाता, प्रश्न हो येता लोकांच्या मुखार की ट्रकाक एक्सिडेंट तर जालो, ट्रकाच्या फुडल्यान येवन उबो रावलो खंय तो आनी ट्रक मारलो खंय. ट्रक मारलो जाल्यार कोणाक डॅमेज जावपाक जाय? त्या मनशाक फूल बॉडी फुटपाक जाय. हांगा ट्रक फुट्टा.
थँक्यू सो मच तुम्ही आमकां मेळले. तुमचें नांव कितें?
म्हजें नांव जेनिफर फर्नांडीस आनी म्हजी धाकटी भयण जुडी फर्नांडीस.
ओके जेनिफर, तुमी सांगताले जे तुमकां एक्सपिरियन्स जाले तुमचे भावाचे एक्सिडेंटाचे, मातशे आमकां डिटेल्स दी. कितें जालें भावाक आनी कितें तुमकां दिसता?
आतां आमकांय सारकी खबर ना. अकॉर्डिंग टू पुलीस आमचो भाव तेजी बॉडी मेळ्ळी फ्लायओवराचेर around quarter to 6. Now the story is, म्हजो भाव गेल्लो around 5:30 along with his friends, two of his friends, to drink at a bar. Around 8 o'clock he entered the bar, it seems. He did not drink, he was normal, quiet, because he had a surgery on his stomach, there were stitches. My sister called him around 10:30 something to my brother. She asked him where you are. He showed he's sitting with so and so people. She saw all friends, she spoke to them. And they spoke there quietly sitting, everything was talking nice. Suddenly they came out of the bar, it seems, and the neighbor who took my brother named Alvito and the other person's name was Preni, both they started saying that John refused to come with us. Patna Chela, John is missing, he's not there. And suddenly from there, don't know how come John went where, how he came at Charasta, how he went to Silver Inn Hotel, because according to police, they are saying John had a fight at Silver Inn Hotel with the security guard. Now that's a suspicious that from the hotel where they were sitting at Sai Dhaba, from there suddenly at night he came at Silver Inn Hotel. There he had fight with the security guard. Plus the security guard said that John threw his cell phone on him. After that, they had to call control police, which came around something 12 o'clock, I think 12:30. Don't know exact time. The control police started saying that we came there and John suddenly started throwing stones at our jeep. Like it's a story of fairy tale, God knows what it is, because we cannot believe what happened. After that, suddenly police started saying, "To fator matmonam tingsan na salanam gelmon." After quarter to 6 o'clock, we got a call saying that your brother is passed away. He met with an accident. If I show you the pictures of the truck, no one will believe that my brother met with an accident with this truck, because the truck is damaged so badly that only if the truck is hit to a pole or hit to a tree, that's how the damages come. But on my brother's body, he has only head injury. Nowhere on his body he's been hit, or none of his bones are broken or hand is broken. Only he has some cuts on legs and behind his leg, as if somebody hit him with a knife. I'm not saying it. No, I saw his body, that's why I'm saying this. He was an alone son of my mother. He was an alone brother, and we are like so much in shock. Police is not ready to give us any details. We haven't got a Panchnama copy. We haven't got FIR copy. Twice we went and we asked police what happened. Did you all get any details? Nothing. Nothing they are telling us. They are just giving us one answer इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आहे बिना काय वी आर देर बट नथिंग इज गिवन बाय द पुलिस.
आता तुम्ही तुमचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन तुम्ही म्हणटा पुलिसाक विचारले तुमी तुमकां कितें कळोन येयलें फ्रॉम दॅट टायम टील नाव सिन्स द डेट ऑफ एक्सिडेंट यू सेड वॉज 8th of August. सो टील नाव वॉट यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड वॉट यू हॅव कितें कितें तुमकां कळलें एक्सिडेंटाचेर.
लायक आम कळोन कितें येयला की तो बारा पयलीं बरो आहा. वेन ही स्पोक टू मी मुको उलयलें तेन्ना 9:45 अशें तेन्ना म्हाका जालां आपूण अमके मनशां बरें बसून आहा आनी हांवें मागीर ताका सांगिल्लें चोय चड लेट भायर राव नाका बरो वच म्हूण बेगीन. तेन्ना म्हणल्यार ना भिनाका आनी ही शोड मी विथ हूम ही इज कोणा बरा बसला कितें कोता नॉर्मल आहा. तेन्ना बरो आहलो तेन्ना पिल्ला आहलो कांय ना. आनी मागीर हांवें म्हगे मामी फोन केलें मामी चोय जॉन अमके भायर आहा मातशें सोद कर म्हूण इतलेंच. आनी मागीर मामी कॉल लास्ट मागीर मामी स्पोक टू हिम 1 o'clock something. Then also that time also he spoke nicely to my mom as per my mom because she knows can मुझे तेरी तीगे चढ़ो पिलो कितको हाँ कितना she knows she's a mother. So then go रहा after that what happened कित जाले त्या कित घडलें ते तेच जाणें कोणा बरा बसून आहलो ते. आतां ते सांगताय आमचे बरा आहलो पूण उठोन गेलो बट हॅज फॉर आस इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां मातशें अशें करून कितको बरो आहलो. तेंचे बारा मागीर एका उपरांत कितें जालें तें दे ओनली नोज एंड दे आर टेलिंग अस स्टोरीज. सो दे आर नॉट स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ बिकॉज ही इज नो मोर जॉन इज नो मोर. सोत सांगपा मनीस आहा तो गेलो आतां दे वील टेल अस स्टोरीज ओनली फोटो सांगतले सोत कोण सांगपा ना.
तो बारार गेला थिंगा झगडी जाली म्हणले तुमी तें कितें जालें आनी थिंगा पुलिसांक आपयलेली.
That was at Silver Inn Hotel. Now that we don't know for what reason fight happened because police is not showing us any statements given by any one of us. Statements are taken from all people. Sai Dhaba restaurant where my brother was sitting with those guys, security guard, the driver, and also other people's statements are given. But police haven't shown us, or they do not even let us speak to those people. So we don't know clearly for what reason. I want to know for what reason my brother refused to come home with Alvito and Trini because Alvito took my brother in his car. So it was his duty if you took my brother to get him back at home. Alvito is our neighbor. He knows us from childhood. So it was his job to bring him back home. If he's not coming, then I want to know why my brother refused. First point. Second is what reason my brother had fight with the security guard. Because that's what police told us. We don't know anything. So we have to go through what police tells us. So we personally came out searching for help from people. We are going places asking, Bab kit jalenga. We don't know for what reason fight happened. We don't know police came and why the police left my brother alone there. Police, according to police, they are saying John Fathar Matala. Police there are 2 to 3 police guys. They couldn't handle one guy. I don't believe that. तुम ते धोराय कितें कोराय ते म्हणटाय ते फातर मारता म्हूण वी वेंट फ्रॉम देर. That is like a joke. It's like some story they are filming. That's not possible. You could have caught him and made him sit or took him to the police station. My brother would have been alive. ते म्हणटाय ते थिंगसान गेले. Then after that we don't know what happened to John.
मागीर एक्सिडेंटाचें मातशें सांग पुलिसान तुमकां कितें सांगलें कशें एक्सिडेंट जालें आनी खंय जालें.
No, they said that when I asked PI personally, like we were sitting all together and we spoke to PI and then I चाले like कितें हुई कितें जालें आनी पुलीस येयले तेन्ना म्हगे भावजीता हारलो. They said yes, तो हारलो. And when the police came approach, तो हुई he was not listening, he said. And you can see in the footage he also said he was not listening to it. I said how it कैसे सांगू शकता आयकपाना तुमगे एक्शन कित हारलाय चालले. When you approached my brother, he was alive. What was your action? What was your like approaching this? They are saying like, nah, to hui hator mar hui. Nah, they didn't say anything. He was just like, no, to hallo tinga pillo ashon. आणि मागीर हुई आमी एक कडेन हुई सोदता हुई ताका तो दुसरे रस्त्यार पावलो थिंग ट्रक येयली आनी हुई ताका ट्रका हुई तो ट्रक वालो रावलो हुई. When police came, the driver informed him that एक कोण भुरगो आपणा गाडी आडोन पळो. He said he didn't say that, but पळो हुई. Then when they went to see, it seemed, I said, how it can be? It's only one way. John couldn't, he cannot go other way. There's only only one way. John waits ahead. You are in the, you have vehicle. You can catch him. हातोर माल जाल्यार तुम गाडये हाय तुमच्यान तेक धरून जाता. So that is our point. Like this, हे सगळें म्हाका बरें लागोना.
This is full confusion.
Yeah,
It's full fishy.
मातशें तुमी म्हणले एक्सिडंट जाले थिंगा पुलिसान तुमकां एक्सिडंटाचें कितें म्हणलें एक्सिडंटान कशें जालें कितें म्हणलें ड्रायव्हरान कितें सांगलें कितें म्हणलें
पुलिसान डायरेक्ट आम इन्फॉर्म केला ड्रायव्हरा फोन येयलो हुंय कंट्रोल रूमान एक भुरगो ट्रका पोवन पडलो आहा सडनली पुलीस केम इट सीम्स देर and they saw my brother lying down. They took some pictures and this happened around 2:30 at night, I guess, by the police. That's what they're telling us, but we were informed at 5:45 o'clock. 5:45 o'clock in the morning we are informed. Police already had the Aadhaar card. Why they took so much time to inform us? Police station is not far from our house. It's quite close. So itu ogot kitya laglo to inform, and what were they doing for so hour in that so much hours? That's what our point is. Police also added that my brother came in front of the truck with his hands up like this, as if he wants the truck to come and hit him. But if the truck would have hit him on the face, he would have fallen on the head behind. His face would have got damaged, or some bone would have broken. He would have flung too far from the road. But nothing happened. My brother's head was injured only one side. None of his body parts were damaged or nothing happened. So this is also a mystery. The truck is damaged so badly. The glass is also broken of the truck.
But I'm question kelwale PI.
It doesn't show that truck has made an accident of my brother. It shows the truck is planned and brought it there. This is my opinion and this is what I feel.
ते आम्ही चालवले ते ग्लास पिटून फुटले काय म्हणून तो मोठा ग्लास फुटून शेकतो हुंय
It is
Now-
possibly said.
आणि
फुटून
he
शकतो.
was saying that injuries internal injuries हुई जाता है accident जायने many things happen he said but I said glass possibility break जापा ना म्हणून सांगले
And even the truck if you see the truck is gone so much inside and the scratches, but if you see my brother's body pictures, only this part has been hit. Even this would have gone, his eyes would have gone, his nose would have banged. Nothing happened to my brother.
द पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्ट ते तुमकां मेवला वॉट डज अ पोस्टमॉर्टम दॅट्स द ओनली डॉक्युमेंट यू हॅव
Yeah, that is the only document that's given by the police, the PI, the PSI. Nothing else is given to us. No documents.
सो वॉट इज युअर डिमांड नाव
We are requesting from the CM to go deep investigation. We want the post-mortem report to get it re-investigated by the specialist because we don't know what happened to him. We want the FIR copy. We want other documents, the blood test they took. We did not even get the blood reports. We also demand for investigation from all the culprits who are there. I'm not saying culprits. I mean all the people whom my brother met that night. Like proper investigation with Alvito, with Creaney. For what reason John refused to come with them? What made them leave John so late at night on the highway? We want statements, proper investigation from the security guard, the control police who came there at night, who were the last people who saw my brother. My brother interacted with them. Those are the last people. We want proper statement from them.
So, have the police told you, was the driver arrested? Was the alcohol test done of the driver and all these things?
Nothing. They only said, yeah, he is in the custody, but
He gave statement.
he gave statement and he is in the custody. That's it, and nothing else.
तेका अरेस्ट बा काय करून
Arrest केलो दोलो, but after 2 days they left him on bail. Like
bail.
bail मेळ्ळी सुटलो. Even the truck is gone.
सो तेजे कितें टेस्ट बा केला तेजो
Nothing,
मेडिकल्स बा
nothing.
केलेले
कांयच खबर ना. That's what I'm saying. Police have not given any details about the driver, about the statements. कांयच दिलो ना. Call records बी काडपा लागले तेय कांय मेळना आमकां.
And after some days, I went again with the application for the statement.
RTI line,
RTI line. I asked the PI also, sir, ते भावागे कितें तेंच्यान आपणाक हा सगळें आपूण दाखयता. I said, sir, मातशें बेगीन न्हू म्हणून सांगलें कित्याक आमकांय जाण जावपा जाय सोद कितें तें म्हणजे भाव खरें तेगे एक्सिडेंट or it is framed or it something suspicious. सो आमकां तें सोद जाण जावपा जाय म्हूण आमी सांगलें आमी दाखय सर दाखयता म्हूण इतलेंच आनी तेजे उपरांत नथींग.
He told us आमकां सगळें हाय स्टेटमेंट सगळ्यांगे आहा. वी हॅव सम फुटेजेस आणि काडपा उरलाय बट इट्स बीन 20 days अजून आम फुटेजीस दाखयला अजून आम कांय खबर ना इट्स लायक मिस्ट्री.
डू यू सस्पेक्ट फॉल पे?
Yes, I do. I say it's a foul play because I believe that the fight happened at Silver Inn Hotel, Char Rasta. It's on the Patna Road, Kankon Char Rasta, Patna Road. From there, if you go ahead straight, there's a small way which goes on the bridge. Fight happened at Silver Inn Hotel. Suddenly, the body was found on the bridge, the highway bridge. So the body was found there and the truck was found there. So this is like little suspicious. In something Kitcon Palmon, that is shocking for us.
रामा, तुम्ही ह्या फॅमिली वांगडा पावल्या, कितें म्हूण तुमकां दिसता ह्या केसीचे?
सी ही केसीच्या प्रमाणे तेंचे कडल्यान जेन्ना इन्फॉर्मेशन घेतले तेज्या प्रमाणे आनी पुलीस इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करता जे प्रमाणे म्हाका दिसता, म्हाका व्हेरी क्लियरली दिसपाक लागता की दीस इज नॉट एन एक्सिडंट, दीस इज मोस्ट प्रोबेबली अ मर्डर. आनी हें करपा खातीर कोण कोण आसा हें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. आतां पुलिसांक विचारपाक जाता. पुलिसान जे पर्यंत तांकां अशें सांगलां की ते येयले थंयसर तो फातर मारपाक लागलो म्हणपाक लागलो. फातर मारपाक लागलो म्हणल्यार तुमचे कडेन पुलिसां कडेन फक्त 2च पुलीस आहा. यू शूड हॅव कॉल्ड युअर फोर्स. तुमी हाडून ताका अरेस्ट करपाक जाय आसलो, भितर जेलीन दवरपाक जाय आशिल्लो आनी तांकां मागीर फॅमिली फोन करून आपोवपाक जाय आसलो हाव ही वॉज रिलीव्ड. त्या टायमाचेर तुम्ही सांगू शकता की बाबा एकटो पुलिसांचेर फातर मारता आणि तो आपूण ना ते फातर मारता म्हणून आमी गेले. हाव कॅन बी दीस पॉसिबल? हे पॉसिबल जावपाक शकना. वॉट इज युअर ड्युटी? वॉट इज द पुलीस ऑफिसर्स ड्युटी? कोणूय तर अशें अनवॉन्टेड थिंग्स करता ना जाल्यार तुमचेर जर फातर मारता जाल्यार तुमी ताका अरेस्ट करपाक जाय आसलो. यू शूड हॅव पुट हिम इन द जेल. So what stop you? Number one, what stop you in taking him to police station? Second, most importantly, what they said is incident एका जाग्याचेर घडटा, झगडी एका जाग्याचेर घडटा आणि दुसऱ्या जाग्याचेर खंय गाडी ट्रक येता थंय ट्रकाचे फुडल्यान तो उबो रावता आनी एक्सिडेंट जाता. आतां प्रश्न हो निर्माण जाता, प्रश्न हो येता लोकांच्या मुखार की ट्रकाक एक्सिडेंट तर जालो, ट्रकाक तर ट्रकाच्या फुडल्यान येवन उबो रावलो खंय तो आनी ट्रक मारलो खंय. ट्रक मारलो जाल्यार कोणाक डॅमेज जावपाक जाय? त्या मनशाक फूल बॉडी फुटपाक जाय. हांगा ट्रक फुट्टा, हांगा ट्रकाचे फुडलो पार्ट आहा पळय तो पत्र्याचो पार्ट तो भितर वयता. म्हणून कोणाक म्हणला म्हाका दिसता गाय सुद्दां बसली जाल्यार इतलो भितर वचपाक शकना. आरसो फुट्टा वयलो ट्रकाचो म्हणल्यार हे कितें? वॉट डू यू वॉन्ट टू टेल पीपल ऑफ गोवा? फूल police department is right. I feel it is very clear this is completely murder जो जाला पळय हेजेर एविडन्सीस जे कलेक्ट जाता पळय त्याच्या प्रमाणे म्हाका मर्डर म्हणून दिसती पडटा आनी ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आनीक उरपाक जायना. दीस शूड डायरेक्टली गो टू द CBI. ना जाल्यार हांगासर जे DGP आहा पळय DGP शूड अपॉइंट अ स्पेशल ऑफिसर फॉर इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग दीस केस बिकॉज आय समवेअर सस्पेक्ट दी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ काणकोणा. म्हाका क्लियरिटी दिसता की खंय तरी तेंच्यांनी फॉल प्ले करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आहा. एंड एज आय ऑलवेज से एक्सिडेंट्स which is been manipulated by IO officers. खंय एक्सिडेंट बाणास्तारीचो एक्सिडेंट जालो, कितलेशे एक्सिडेंट जाले आसात. हांगासर एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो, शिरदोना एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो. मर्डर जाल्या उपरांत पयलो काम जो IO ऑफिसर करता पळय तो प्रूफ सगळे काबार करपाचो प्रयत्न करता आनी असले IO ऑफिसाचेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय. असले IO ऑफिसाचे अरे म्हाका एक सांग, एक्सिडेंट जाला तांचो भाव गेला. शी हॅव एवरी रायट टू क्वेश्चन दी पुलीस ऑफिसर्स. हे खंय वो खंय? टेल मी वन थिंग. Did you remove the phone details of the truck driver? तो खंयच्या टायमाचेर एक्सिडेंट जाला आनी खंयच्या टायमाचेर ट्रक ड्रायव्हर खंयच्यान आयला तो? प्लीज डिक्लेअर इट. प्लीज सांग. तुम्ही ॲक्च्युली पळोवपाक गेल्यार फक्त आपल्या भितर दवरता. इट लुक्स लायक यू आर प्रोटेक्टिंग युअर ओन सीन्स. इट लुक्स लायक. कित्याक जरी तर तांकां खबर आसपाक जाय न्हू आपलो भाव खंयच्यान आयलो. तांकां खबर आसपाक जाय ड्रायव्हराक अरेस्ट केलो जाल्यार ड्रायव्हराचे मेडिकल रिपोर्ट कितें सांगता. Why this news is not been happening in Kankon? What I am saying is, म्हाका एक विचारपाक जाय. I think so. There is something which has been happening and हे clear cut हांगासर दाखोवपाचे प्रयत्न चालू आसा. As I always say that initial 24 hours is the time where you get all the evidences of the criminal. पण तो 20 to 48 hours आसा पळय तो पयली सिस्टमॅटिकली म्हाका दिसता फॅमिली पयस दवरून प्रूफ एविडन्सीस आहा पळय ते काबार करता. लक्षात घ्या. म्हाका गोंयकारांक विचारपाक जाता हो ट्रक जो आसा पळय तो ट्रकाचो फोटो दाखया. मुद्दम गोंयकारांक दाखयना आनी कळनी. आनी DGP हे पयलीं पळोवपाची गरज आसा. आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट DGP टू लूक इन टू दीस पोस्टर. जेन्ना एक ट्रक आनी तेच्या फुडल्यान ट्रकाच्या फुडल्यान एक भुरगो कोणी चलोन येता, कितले स्पिडीन आसूं तो स्पिडीन असलो तो ट्रकाक चॅप घालता आणि वयलो आरसो कसो फुटतो तो आरसो जो ट्रकाचो ग्लास आसा तो मनशाच्या वयर आसता रे सो हांव तो इम्पॅक्ट कसो जालो आणि जरी तर इतलो मोठ्यान तर इम्पॅक्ट पडला जाल्यार ताचे सगळे बोन्स आणि हे कुशीक कुशीक पडपाक जाय आशिल्ले एक स्क्रॅच ना म्हणटा ती त्यांच्या प्रमाणे एक स्क्रॅच ना म्हणटा आय हॅव सीन द फोटोग्राफ्स वॉट शी हॅव शोन ऑल्सो म्हळ्यार हेतून क्लियर जाता की आयज पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट जेजेर विश्वास दवरता आमी की हे जे जस्टीस मेळोवपा खातीर हे जे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जेन्ना करतले तेन्ना फेअर अँड फ्री इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले रिपोर्ट तयार करतले आणि हे रिपोर्टाच्या प्रमाणे जो खंयचो हायकोर्ट जावं खंयच्या कोर्टान जेन्ना केस मांडटली तेन्ना कोर्ट itself rely on the evidence provided by the information आयो इन्स्पेक्टर हो ऑफिसर हाजेर डिपेंडंट आहा सगळे जाल्यार ह्या पुलिसान म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना ह्या फॅमिलीक पुलिसांचेर दुबाव आहा त्या पुलिसान इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आणि रिपोर्ट तयार करपाक शकना दीस केस शूड बी टेकन फ्रॉम दीस पुलीस स्टेशन आणि ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनांतल्यान घेवन DGP इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल DGPक जेन्ना ही बातमी कळटली ही होल अँड सोल हॅव टू टेक द चार्ज ऑफ द स्टेट आणि होम मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल बिकॉज यू आर अ होम मिनिस्टर तुजे कडेन मिनिस्ट्री आसा ती सो तुवें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय की बाबा हे अशें तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान म्हळ्यार फाल्यां सकाळी कितें जातलें द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज एक्सिडेंट केलो भायर उडयलो सो आयज तांकां जेन्ना दुबाव आसा की ही म्हणटा की जरी तर एक्सिडेंट जाला हे कोणाचो फायट जाला थंयसर एका हितून फायट जाला दुसऱ्या हितून म्हणटा तुमी थंयसर फायट जावन थंयसर पुलिसां कडेन पावलो पुलिसां कडेन म्हणटा तुमी फातर मारता तेन्ना पुलिसान पळयलो म्हणटा आनी पुलिसान म्हणपा लागले पुलीस सोडून गेले थंयसर why did police left from the position when the crime was happening? Number one, why did you leave? What did you do to stop the person so that हो मनीस तर रॉंग आशिल्लो दुसऱ्या मनशांक डॅमेज करचो ना म्हणून तुम्ही कितें प्रयत्न केलो तुम्ही आपयलो फोर्स तुमच्या काणकोणच्यान फोन करून आपयलो फोर्स इफ नॉट वाय who was the person who was the police officers at that position कोणी त्या police officeran पळयला did you capture the picture what she is saying is तो असलो he was alive right when they met
Yes.
so did you have a video recording of it so all these things are important Goa wants to know whether police are involved or not
तांकां डॉक्युमेंट मेळना म्हणून तुमकां कितें सांगपाचें
खंयचे
ते
डॉक्युमेंट
डॉक्युमेंट मागता आतां पुलिसां कडेन तांकां मेळना
no
म्हणटात
it's their right
FIR copy.
it is getting FIR copies and all the documents whatever is needed is their right
Panchnama copy, FIR copy. We asked.
so why police is hiding this my question is why police is hiding this तांच्या घरांतलो कोण तरी पिट्यार जाला सो हे तांकां दिवपाकूच जाय why you want every time people to come out and give the press conference so I request the chief minister of Goa I request DGP this is a serious case and they have a suspicion that even police might be involved in doing this